Innovation is going to thrive now in this new environment. And we think the three biggest opportunities right now associated with the convergence of these technologies are...
In a recent discussion on ARK Invest with Cathie Wood, we delve into the potential impact of the new administration on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency regulations, the likelihood of Federal Reserve interest rate cuts, and how advancements in AI and technology could influence inflation and the broader economy. At the time of this recording, Bitcoin has hit a new all-time high, trading around $84,000. This marks a remarkable 4% increase in the last 24 hours and an impressive 34% surge over the past 30 days. These price movements highlight the growing interest and confidence in cryptocurrencies following the recent election.
Stop. You don't have time. Don't miss out this 2025 bull run. Educate yourself first ahead of the crowd. We have created the ultimate step-by-step crypto cheat guide that will guide you this bull run. Unlock the secrets of crypto and make smarter investments today. Now by clicking on the link below to get your exclusive copy just under $10.
In the autonomous mobility space, so everything, robo-taxi, drones, and so forth, healthcare, and digital assets. I'll just give you a quick one on healthcare because many people are short innovation altogether, truly transformative innovation, thinking that, you know, the broad-based indexes have that covered. We don't think they do, and especially not in healthcare. And we think that a few of the things that the Trump administration, the new Trump administration, has been saying, they want to clean up the corruption within healthcare. And I think what they mean by that is lobbyists have taken over for years and years and years, and they want to break that stronghold and really bring back, this is a quote, the rich tradition of the gold standard evidence-based science. That's going to be amazing for what we're calling the multi-omics revolution. And in a year where our next generation internet strategy, which covers not only artificial intelligence, but blockchain technology, digital wallets, the fintech revolution, that strategy has outperformed the market this year, a very strong year, and it did so with very little exposure to the concentration in the broad-based indices. In other words, it's a differentiated exposure to AI, digital wallets, the fintech revolution. On the other hand, the multi-omics revolution space and strategy has been pummeled in the past year. And I think it is for a couple of reasons, certainly regulatory, no M&A, but also a profound misunderstanding of what innovation is going to bring to the healthcare space. It will be transformed perhaps like no other sector. It is the most profound application of artificial intelligence that we see out there, curing diseases. And I just have to tell you, in learning what the financial markets, how they perceive these companies that are curing disease. This is not about the future. It's happening now. CRISPR Therapeutics is a company whose drugs have been approved in both the U.S. and the UK and Europe, as a matter of fact. Those three areas, curing sickle cell disease and beta thalassemia. And many analysts are not interested in these spaces. Rare diseases, too small. Cures, one and done. There's no annuity. We need chronic sickness to get these annuity drugs out there to control the symptoms. We're astonished as we think about the kinds of analysis that is treating this space so badly right now. We think that's going to change. We think that's going to change magnificently in the years ahead. And on the digital asset front, I mentioned that Bitcoin is very much a part of this administration's plans, including building a strategic reserve. We're very excited about that. We think that This is the layer of the internet that the developers in the early 90s did not build in. And we were at risk, because of the SEC, of losing this next big wave of the internet, all around commerce, financial services, digital property rights. And now we think this administration is going to bring that innovation back home, where it started, and we're going to ride that wave again. So we're pretty excited about what has just happened from an innovation point of view. We think that deregulation is critical, and really allowing innovation, one of the biggest runs it will ever have in history, now that these technologies are ready after 25 years of germinating.
As we just heard, Cathie Wood discussed the potential changes in cryptocurrency regulations under the new administration. Now, let's explore her insights on how Federal Reserve interest rate cuts and innovations in AI could influence Bitcoin and the broader economy. Let's hear what Cathie Wood has to say.
Regulations are also going to change, because we're probably going to see Lina Khan at the FTC leave her position. And of course, the strong-armed antitrust regulations that Lina Khan has abided by, those are going to go away. They've prevented mergers and acquisitions that we absolutely need. Large companies are looking at these smaller companies innovating and perhaps being very disruptive to their models, and they'll probably want to get some of that DNA into their companies. I think the regulatory cutbacks are going to be profound. In his first administration, President Trump said to regulators, you want to put in a new regulation? You have to take away 2. I think that he'll be even stronger on that. And of course, when it comes to government spending, he's inviting Elon Musk into or under the tent. Now, the deficit will go down, we think, because of growth, but also we think the inefficiencies in the government are extreme. And we do believe that Elon Musk, first principles-based white sheet of paper, will figure out ways through attrition in terms of headcount and technology, productivity gains, to really shrink the government as a % of GDP, getting a lot of the waste out of the government. And of course, every president has promised that. I think this one will deliver with the help of Elon Musk. We do not believe that Elon's going to be leaving his companies. We do believe he'll put in place a process that will be reinforced by some of the people who will be attracted to this goal and want to be a part of helping him carry it out.
Cathie Wood provided valuable insights into how the administration's supportive stance on Bitcoin and potential regulatory easing could accelerate cryptocurrency innovation in the U.S. She also emphasized that declining inflation might prompt the Federal Reserve to implement interest rate cuts, which could drive economic growth through advancements in technologies like AI. These perspectives invite reflection on key questions. How might the new administration's policies shape Bitcoin and cryptocurrency regulations? Do you agree with Cathie Wood's outlook on the potential for Federal Reserve rate cuts and their impact on innovation? For more Daily Dose Crypto news, check out these 2 awesome videos on your screen. Click now and we will see you on the next video.